Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. So if you want to make your Instagram account private, first you want to go to your profile here, right down corner, go to your profile, then go to the three line in the right corner here, three line settings, tap on it, then go to settings here. After that you need to go to privacy option here. As you can see, here is the privacy option. Then here is the first option. Here you can see the private account option here, so you just have to turn on the option here. So just toggle the bar here and it will tell you to switch to private account. Only your followers will able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can tag and mention or message you. So just tap on switch to private here and this will make your profile private here. So let's check out if this account is private or not. So let's just go to the settings option here and switch my account here, and if I search for that account here, and as you can see this account is private now. So that's it guys, this is how you make your account private in Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.